Namaste. Good afternoon to everybody. I am delighted to be here with you all dignitaries, eminent personalities, and scholars from home and abroad. In fact, the intellectual knowledge people from home and abroad. Phenomenal people. I want to congratulate to Team NISCARE, especially to Dr. Manoj Kumar Pateria, the director of the Institute NISCARE, for organizing a wonderful, amazing conference, international conference. I wanted to share my first-hand experience with you all. When I got the invitation from Dr. Pateria for the conference, I became very happy. Then I saw the theme of the conference. Oh my God, what is this? Believe me, trust me. But because I just thought, how is it possible to combine two latest emerging but parallel technologies together? But when I entered more and more deeper into the concept of the theme, then I actualized how wonderful it was. So the theme of the conference is fantastic. No, fantastically fantastic. So I'm gonna thanks to Dr. Pateria for creating a wonderful, knowledge-oriented theme for us and for the conference. I'm also gonna thanks to him for having me in the conference. Friends, I am Dr. Navneet Singhal, international science communicator. Previously, I was working in United Nations organization in Italy and other 27 countries as international consultant and expert in the field of science communication and e-learning. I have been getting an opportunity to listen so many eminence and scholars from various fields. In last 2 days, in only 2 days. Before I just wanna go more, I wanna just tell you, because the after lunch session, so everybody just enjoying the sleep also, because everybody knows that our body after having meal create the amino acid tryptophan, and tryptophan is just converts into serotonin, and ultimately serotonin is converted into the melatonin. It creates a lot of drowsiness. So it's the natural, and we should follow the nature. So nobody can point the finger on anybody for if you want to sleep. So my lecture will fuel you, will fuel all the things. So, okay, enjoy the sleep and also enjoy my presentation. I am thankful to Dr. Ashish Shah that he gave a lot of knowledge about some basic things. So I need not to go again on the same things. Please forward it. Digital economy. As everybody knows, the digital economy refers to an economy that is based on digital computing technologies. That's all. Please. And sometimes the technology is called the digital economy, is called the new economy. It's the new one. The web economy is based on the web, and also the internet economy. I need some water, please. Yeah, this one. Please. It is highly connected with the service-based economy, collaborative economy, and on-demand economy, please, and sharing economy. When we just talk about the sharing economy, so we talk like the ride sharing, like the Uber, or home sharing, like Airbnb, like that. These are some simple examples. Now, Dr. Shah told about the disruptive technology. So these are all the disruptive technologies. What is the meaning of disruption? It's very simple. In the very simple words, I want to just tell you, disruptive, because I also belong to photography side. So it is just I am giving an example about the digital disruption. Before 2000 or 1995, I used to take camera rolls. A lot of camera rolls we had to carry all the time. And after that, the technology has been changed. The digital cameras came into the market, and ultimately, if you want to purchase a roll of the camera, so it is very difficult. So this is a disruption. So disruption comes with the innovation. Innovation comes first, and after that, the disruption is happened. And the digital divide, whatever told my friend Dr. Shah and Dr. John, that about digital divide, actually, digital divide is the thing where the people is used to divide in the two way. One is just very related with the high technology of digital technology and all that. They are used to do all the work on the digital technologies. And the other person, they don't want to just do that. Even they don't want to do that if they want to do that, but they don't have the facilities. So it is divided into two. And it is also divided by rural or urban areas. So in India, actually it was happening, but not now, because as Dr. John told about that, is the Digital India, is the new campaign, is just running in the present time, and it is related with the enhancement of digital technologies, digital empowerment to rural areas particularly. So this is the Digital India campaign. So the digital divide. Now I am coming, now the next point, the P2P or the peer-to-peer networking is the major networking related with the digital economy. Do you know why? Because is the P2P means there is no server at all. Decentralization of the informations. No server at all. All the computers in the network just like that they are working as client as well as server. No server at all means no centralization of information. And the Bitcoin or the digital currency based on these type of technology. These are technologies are depends directly on blockchain, because everybody knows the blockchain, and because I am a communicator, I am not the data scientist or something, so I am trying to just swim on the water and don't want to take the dive inside. So just swim. So blockchain is the basic of digital computing digital economy. And the blockchain depends on peer-to-peer networking. The fintechs, everybody knows that the fintechs is the financial technologies. That now all the banks are using the financial technology. Digital currencies, I told, please move. Some employment is generated by the digital economy. The gig employment is the very tiny portion because we are not using to think about that. The gig employment, suppose you wanna buy anything, whatever you want, buy from the online, from Amazon or any other online option. At that time, you just booked it, and after that, the person come to your place and give the things to you, delivery. And delivery is done by gig employment. Is the grassroots worker on the very small salaries without any facilities they are doing. That is the gig employment. So it is just a very important thing. Like the digital nomads, some persons are trying to do the work from the remote areas, from the other countries, by their laptops, by their computers. They are doing all the work. They are doing all the work from there, and ultimately we are getting advantage of their work. So this is the digital nomads. And the digital natives, the person who born with a lot of facilities of the computer and everything, there's the digital natives. And the last one is the digital dinosaurs. What is digital dinosaurs? Please raise the hand. One person or anybody knows about the digital dinosaurs, because in last 2 days we are talking about these technologies. Please raise hand. Hands up, please. Anybody? Digital dinosaurs is just opposite to the digital natives, digital nomads, or the positive thinkers for these technologies. Digital dinosaurs actually hate these technologies. They don't like the technology, ultimately, at all. They don't like. So they don't want to work actually on this technology, and they hate that. Sometimes they don't know about that, so they don't want to do that. So that's the person of digital dinosaurs. Next, please. Digital economy, everybody knows in the books, everybody knows, based on digital computing technologies, and the word was introduced by Japanese professor in 1990s. First time introduced by Japanese professor in 1990s. But after 5 years in the West, Don Tapscott in 1995 introduced again the word, recoined the word, followed the word by his book. It's the best-selling book, The Digital Economy, Promise and Perils in the Age of Network Intelligence. So that book was the best-selling book at that time because it was the introduction about the digital technologies. Next, please. In the 2001, I'm sorry I'm taking some time about to come to my point. Massenberg in the 2001 just made a concept that all the digital economy can be identified by 3 components: e-business infrastructure, hardware, software, human capital, networking, like that, and so on. E-business, how the business is conducted on digital computing technologies, that is the e-business. E-commerce, the transfer of the goods, the delivery of the goods. In example, a laptop is sold online. That is the e-commerce, please. Uh, this is also some bookish things. Digital networking and communication infrastructure provide a global platform for devise the strategies, interaction, communication, collaboration, and search for information. Nowadays, today, the digital economy is $3 trillion worth. It is more than the GDP of United Kingdom. But one thing is very bad for everybody. It uses a 1/10 of the world's electricity. It means the more carbon emission, more problematic situation we will face. So be aware, we should be aware about that. Okay, next please. The basic thing in the 1995, the Nicholas Negroponte just told about that, used a metaphor of shifting from processing atom to processing bits. It was the excellent concept, and it actually he just had forecasted about the present disruption, because it is very simple. It's a very simple thing that he used processing atom to processing bits. When the information is embodied in atoms, at that time we need to get all the information from these things, everything we have to use. The industrial age means, all type of industrial age means we need it. But when the focus shifts to bits, no longer big guys needed. So it is the hypothesis of the digital economy and the disruption of the digital economy. Okay, please. Everybody is talking about the digital economy, but it is based on the digitization. You people must know, I think, the digitization is a very simple word. Okay, sir, 10 minutes I need, sir. I'm requesting. So, yeah, digitization, everybody knows about digitization. But once my friend, he has a lot of industries and offices, he just came to me and he told me that he wanted to convert all the industries in the digitization. He wants to digitize all industries. But how is it possible? The data and the text and the picture and audio, video can be digitized, but not the human capital. So he wanted to transfer the human capital into the robots. What actually he wanted to say? Actually, he wanted to say that he wants to digitalize his office and industry. So the two words, the digitalization and digitization, has a big difference. And because we are just talking about that, so be aware to use the words digitization or digitalization. Next, please. Next, the digital transformation. Believe or not, digital transformation is reinventing every business. Now every business faces a choice, innovation or extinction. Digital transformation is not about the IT or technology. It is about redefining all your strategies, business strategies, to just finalize the things about on the digitization, the digital transformation. It is not about the IT or technology, not about the applying IT or technology on your business, to your business. It is about recreating an entire business model on the backbone of the technology. Amazon.com is not only a shop, online shop with website. It has disrupted all the market totally. The Amazon.com completely changed the concept of the marketing and so more. Please come back. Okay, next please. Now the Dr. Shah was telling and Dr. John was telling about the mobile devices domination. I need more water. No. I need to just test my sugar level because I need to take a lot of water. Rehydrate. Yeah, so all the time I need to rehydrate. So nowadays the mobile device domination is everything depends on the mobile. Everything, the total minutes spent online is the mobile devices. The retail of or B2B. What is B2B? Business to business. And retail it is not only applying on the retail consumers, but it is also applying on the business to business buyers. Digital transformation provides low cost tools and strategies, enable strategies to small and medium enterprise to compare the major enterprises on the same level. Digital transformation continues to accelerate because of two reasons. Because of two reasons, the digital transformation accelerates. First, the technology is advancing, and the second one is the more data is available, more data is usable about that. The next one please. Now I am coming to digital transformation to digital economy please. So I just skipped some slides because I know the things and now know the rules about all that. So all the hyper connectivity of the digital economy can be or could be used in science and technology information system, in science communication. I actually skipped a lot of slides. So okay then, thanks.